We are in the Sankalpa series for ABM, and today we will be solving the numericals as well as some important objective questions also. Basically chapter 1 and chapter 3 also. It's not only chapter 1, it's for chapter 1 and 3 combined. Okay. So in this Sankalpa series, remember, we are covering all the important theory, numericals, objective questions and case studies as well. So that's why follow this series till the end. Okay. So let me start. Okay. Let's start with the first objective question. The type of cumulative frequency where the frequencies are added starting from the highest class to the lowest class are called as. Now look at this. Cumulative frequency starting from the highest to the lowest. Now what do you mean by this? Firstly, what is cumulative frequency? Cumulative, what is the word of meaning of this word cumulative? Suppose if I write it like this, let's say 10, then 20, 20, then here 30, 40, and I go on writing. And now what is the cumulative figure? Cumulative means addition of all these before this number. So suppose add accumulation of 10 is 10 only. Accumulation of 20 over here is this 20 plus 10, 30. Accumulation of this is 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 40, 100. So cumulative means addition of all these numbers before. So this is cumulative. Now what do you mean by this? The question over here is when the frequencies are added from the highest class to the lowest class. Highest to the lowest means what? Suppose if I am having the, what do you mean by the class? Word class actually. The class means over here, let's say, if I divide, if I am having, let's say these numbers only, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Now what will I do? I'll divide this number in classes. For example, 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, something like this, 20 to 30, and so on. I go on arranging this. So this is known as a class. Each one is a class, and this difference is known as a class width. Remember this. This is class width. Okay. Class width, and this difference, this is a class and this is known as a class width. Okay. Now what is the question? Where the frequencies are added starting from highest class to lowest class. So what will I do? When I arrange this, I'll be arranging it accordingly here. Suppose we take only these three classes up till now. Okay. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So if I want highest to lowest, how will I arrange them? I'll arrange them in this way. 20 to 30 first. Then 10 to 20 next. Here highest to lowest I'm going. 0 to 10 next. Okay. This is the way I'm going. So I'm going to on the lower side. So this is known as what? Relative frequency, percentage frequency, less than or greater than cumulative frequency. What is the answer? Everyone type in the comment section. It is, here logically I'll tell you. Answer is between this C and D only. Less than and greater than. So it is greater than. Correct. It is greater than cumulative frequency. Got it? Greater than means whenever I am starting from the highest and going to the lowest. See, this is the highest and going to the lowest. If I am taking the reverse route means lowest to highest, then it is known as less than. Clear? Simple? Okay, move ahead. Type yes in the comment section, everyone. Type yes. Okay. The following table gives less than type frequency distribution of the income per day. Okay. Now what have you to do? Is this less than? I think so. Less than type. It should be greater than type. Okay. Okay. It should be greater than, because it is starting from the highest 1500 and it is going to the lowest. Okay. So greater than type. GT I'll write it. Okay. The following table gives the GT type frequency of the income per day. What is the income mode? Now the question is different. Let it be less than or greater than. It doesn't matter. It hardly matters. Question over here is what is the mode? Mode means what? Firstly, understand what is the meaning of mode. Mode means here, this is known as frequency. Frequency. How many persons are having income of 1500? How many persons are having income of 1250? And so on. Okay. What is the mode? Mode means that number which occurs maximum number of times. Maximum number of times. This is known as a mode. There are three words you'll face again and again. One is mean, mode, and median. Okay, these are the three words you'll face many times: mean, mode, median. Okay, so what is this mean, mode, median? See, mode, just now I told you, number of times, maximum number of times. Okay, mean means what? Mean is average. Okay, and mode is what? Median means what? Median means what? I'll arrange these numbers in the serial order, either ascending or descending. Arrange them. There are two steps to median. First is arrange them in serial order. Okay, and then find the central number. Find central number. Find central number. Okay, so this is known as median. So these three important terms are there in statistics. I gave you this because why? Because here the point over here is this question is only on mode. But you guys must understand, if the exam question is on mean, mode or median, anything, you must be able to answer it. Okay. So what did everyone? Mean is average, mode is max, and median is arrange the numbers first and then find a central number. There are various methods to this. That I'll explain it in some other video. But the logical part is this. So now tell me, what is the mode? In this, which one is the mode in this? Everyone, which one is the mode in this? Which one is coming maximum number of times? This is the frequency. Which one has a maximum frequency is a mode. So which is having maximum frequency? 100. So which income class is having this modal class? So this is 1500. So this is your answer. In exam, tick on that wherever 1500 is given. Clear, simple. Got it? Shall we move ahead? See, here many questions of this sort are covered in our paid classes. In fact, paid classes, you take the review. All of them are most happy because the complete portion is covered over there. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Okay. Everyone join, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CAIIB, number one. Number two, now second thing, you'll be getting the free YouTube series. How to join this, I'll tell you later. Free YouTube series on all the subjects. Okay, so subscribe to it, click on the bell icon. Okay, the data of some workers salary are given as this, whatever this is, 2300, 2400, 2500. You can read this data. If the desired number of class intervals is 10, then the class width is. Now how to find out the class width? Firstly, remember what is the class width? Class width means, suppose if I divide these numbers in let's say any, suppose, okay, let me give you, I gave you some example earlier, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, same one. See this one, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, same thing. So same class width you have to find it over here. How to find out the class width? So here, remember the formula for class width is, I'll write CW. Class width equals to range upon number required, number of intervals. Okay, range upon number of intervals. Range upon number of intervals. Okay, so number of intervals is what? This you know already, 10. But what is the range? How to find out the range? Range equals to, remember, always remember, range equals to maximum number minus minimum number. Maximum minus minimum. What is maximum number over here? 2300, 2400, 2500, 21, 2000, 2000, 23, 28, 3000, 23, 27, 24, 25. 3000 is the maximum number, isn't it? So 3000. What is the minimum number then? Give me, everyone. Type in the comment section. Which is the minimum number now? Comment section, everyone. Minimum number is 2000, correct? This is the lowest number. So 2000 over here. So range is what? 2000 3000 minus 2000. So 1000. So what is my class width now? So class width equals to 1000 upon 10. So that is equal to 100. So this is my answer. Class width is 100. Okay. What do you mean by class width? What is the meaning of this word? This 100 you have got. It means what? What have you got? It means when I start arranging these numbers, I'll be arranging them like this: 2000 to 2100. Lowest number, and then go on adding 100. Then 2100 to 2200. And so on. Okay. Up to what? Last number, 3000. Okay. That last, it will be what? 2900 to 3000. This will be my last class, right? So this is the meaning of this width. Width means, now you check the difference between each one. 22 minus 2100. 3000 minus 2900. 21 minus 2100. Okay. So width will always remain the same. So this is 100. Okay. The class intervals where upper and the lower limits are also included in the class interval are called as, see here, upper and the lower limits are also included. Now what do you mean by this? Upper and the lower limits are included. Okay, let me give you the logic over here. Suppose there are these numbers, okay? How? Let me start. 11, 12, 18, 19, then what? Let's say 23, 27. Let's say these numbers, 29. Okay. Now I have to arrange them in classes. I have to arrange these numbers in classes. So how will I arrange them? See, let me start with simple one. Now I can arrange it this way also. 10 to 14. And there I'll write both inclusive. 10 also included and 14 also included. Okay. Let's say, let me add one number over here. That is, let's say 14. Okay. 14 over here. Okay. So this is 10 to 14. Then next one is 15 to 19. Both are included. 15 to 19. Next one is 20 to 24. Now this class where both are included, upper limit also and lower limit also. This class is known as what? This is your question. Now we'll say if this is included, what is the other one? The other one is exclusive. Here what happens? Take 0.5 on this side, 0.5 on this side. So it will be 9.5 to 14.5. Look at this, 14.5. 0.5 on the other side, 0.5 on the first side, right? Similarly over here, this 14.5, 0.5 on the other side, okay, to 19.5. And next again 19.5 and so on, right? So what are you seeing over here? In inclusive type, the lower limit of the next class and the upper limit of the first class are different. 14 and 15, they are different. So this is known as inclusive type. Inclusive. And in exclusive type, both are same. Look at this. Both are same over here. So where the upper and the lower limits are also the part of the class interval. Suppose if I get 14 number, this 14 number I'll arrange it in this class, not in this 15. 19 number I'll arrange it in this class. Okay. Remaining are easy for you. Right. So this is known as inclusive type. Got it, everyone? Clear? Move on. Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests. Download it immediately. And don't just download, because we are having many apps in a mobile. Right? I always tell you, we are having so many apps. How many apps do you have in your mobile? Everyone? Do you even know the number? How many apps do you have? And how many of them you use it? Hardly 3, 4, 5. Not more than 5 apps anyone uses in the mobile. So this shouldn't be the next app. Just downloaded and kept. Start using it. Because it is for your benefit. Okay. You'll be getting many features over here in this app. Free tests are available. Free these questions are available. Okay. Ebooks are available. Some free videos are available. So you can definitely check that. Okay. And also join the paid classes in this. In the app only, you join the paid classes, you are getting 1% extra. I'll tell you. The following table gives the distribution of 100 families according to the expenditures. Find a modal class. Modal. We want a mode over here. So this is the expenditure 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on. And this is number of families. So which is the frequency over here? Tell me, which is the frequency? Number of families means how many families are having the income between 0 to 14. So this becomes the frequency. Always you must be able to identify the frequency first. If you understand F, then it becomes easier. This is called as F, frequency. So always it depends on frequency, which is the mode or which is the median or whatever it is. Okay, mainly mode. So mode means what? Which is having maximum number of times which is occurring. So who is occurring maximum number of times? 27. So which is the modal class? This is my modal class, right? So this is my modal class. Got it? Simple. Modal class, remember, it's always the maximum number of times which is occurring. Okay, and this other part is known as X. We always call this as X. This is a class. We find a class mark out of this. So it will be 5 over here. Central number. Here it will be 15. Right? And this we treat it as X. Then we find out Fx and various formula are there. Fx upon F, all these mean, mode, median we find out. Okay? Got it? Clear? Simple? Move on. The runs scored by a batsman in 5 ODIs are 31, 97, 112, 63 and 19 and 12. Find the mean, median and mode. So what is this? Mean, median and mode. So first let's find out mean. What is mean? Mean means what? Addition. Do the addition everyone. 31 plus 97 plus 112 plus 63 plus 12. Add all them. What is the answer? What is the answer you're getting, guys? Let me also try. First, I want the answer in the comment section from you. What is the answer you're getting? 31 plus 97 plus 112 plus 63 plus 12. So the answer you get is how many? Yes. Comment section. Everyone. 315. Correct. So mean is what? 315 divided by number of elements. How many elements are there? 5. So 315 upon 5. So it is 63. This is my mean. This is my mean. Now mode. Mode means what? Which is coming maximum number of times. Who is coming maximum number of times? 31, 97, 112, 63 and 12. None of them is repeated. If any would have been repeated, let's say there would have been 31, 31, 2 times, then that would have been the mode. Who's coming maximum number of times. But here none of them is repeated. So, which is the mode then? All are modes. All are modes. Whenever the numbers are not repeated, everyone is a mode then. Okay? Now median. How to find out the median? What did I say about the median? First arrange. Arrange from the lowest to the highest. So arrange them. First is 31. Lowest is what? No, not 31. Lowest is 12. 12. Then 31. Then after that 63. After that 97. And last one is 112. Right? So arranged. Whatever is arranged, find a central number. Which is the central number? 63. So 63 is my mode. 63 is my median. So median equals to 63. Got it, everyone? So got it? How to find out the median? Arrange them in the central order, serial order. Now you'll ask me, sir, this is odd. That's why it's easy. Suppose if there would have been only 4 numbers, then 12, 31, 63 and 97. If these numbers were there, only these numbers, then what? In that case, what do? Arrange the same logic. Arrange them in the serial order and take the central numbers, 2 numbers central. Which are these 2? These are the 2 central numbers. Find the average of these, mean of these, mean. So 31 plus 63 upon 2. Give me the answer, everyone. 31 plus 63 upon 2. 31 plus 63, this upon 2. So it is 47. So then the median would have been 47 in that case, if there were 4 numbers. Got it? If it's an odd number, means odd numbers I am having, then the things are simple. Central number is very easy to find out. If it is even number, then I have to find out the central average of the central two numbers. Okay. So friends, that was the session for you. Now before going, everyone, I would suggest join the Adda 24/7 batches here. If you are joining for this November exam, then go to Adda 24/7. I'll always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, you are getting the point system, which will give you around 1% extra discount. So if you are joining for November, we are going on with the revision batch right now. Okay. So join this November batch immediately. Click on CAIIB November 23. Then click on the Power Pack Revision Combo Batch. Okay. Then you'll see this test series, ebooks, videos, online live classes. Click on this ebooks. You'll see this subject-wise ebooks. Click on this subject. You'll see the chapter-wise ebooks. So in such details you are having. Similarly, test series. You'll have module-wise test series. Module-wise. Okay. So such in details you are getting it. And all the subjects. Look at this. ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL. All of them are covered. And in the Mahapack, you get elective as well. Okay. So Mahapack is what? Mahapack is multiple batches. Let me show you Mahapack also. Now, importantly, remember, the fees over here for the batches is only 80% right now. 80% off. So 2,999 is the fees. 80% is the off. Prep 80 code already applied. Click on buy now. You'll get the details. See this. Click on continue. Then fill in your details. Full name, phone number, email, and the code is already applied. Prep 80. If not applied, you can apply it yourself also. Similarly, you can join the Mahapack. In Mahapack, you will be getting the multiple batches plus ebooks plus tests. Now, if you are joining for the June series, June 24, okay, in that case, you can click on this June series. Okay, see this CAIIB June 24. Click on CAIIB June 24. Here again, you'll see the batches. Similar one, Sankalpa batch now. This is a detailed batch. Just now, it is also started. So you click over here and go through the Sankalp batch. See this same way. Ebooks you'll be getting, test series you'll be getting, online live classes you'll be getting. You get a fees also 80% off. And as I told you earlier, see this Mahapack. Mahapack will give you a double validity plus 80% off both. Again, you get ebooks, test series, online live classes. You buy for 6 months, you get 6 months free. You buy for 12 months, you get 24 months. So 12 months free. So that's why I would suggest you to join the classes immediately because exams are very near now. Okay. So keep studying and do join the batches.